Why go to 4B?
4B here, no?
No,
The 4, yeah. The 4B become
medium only.
medium only.
Medium only.
That's okay. Here also you can put 4. Personalized set image.
Failure of hand tools.
The same risk, no?
Yeah.
I make it 4. This is medium, so no problem. Even for rotating equipment also make it, because rotating equipment you
No,
can
rotating is like once you put in finger in something. So
but you can lose your finger, no? You can lose
it is not the major thing. It is disability is not there. Don't disability. You not use your hand tool.
Okay, make it 3, right?
Yes, is okay. So rotating, but it is a whenever saying rotating equipment, machine guard other thing is there. Okay, I think that is okay.
Machine guard, warning sign boards, PP.
You are getting what is happening, right? Yeah.
Yes.
You are doing this same thing, this, but it is a high level assessment.
Yeah. So this is applicable, a sharp object, and then let us keep it. Because it's fancy.
Because they have to cut the wires or something, right? Knife and something. Normal thing. It is even 2 or 3 also. Okay.
It's the same distance, PP,
First aid is okay.
first aid, medical.
Warning and signboard not required here. Why the warning? Why warning and warning?
Because don't use the sharp object, something like that.
No, they have to cut something. They have to cut. They will not say no. Okay.
Okay. Weather, I think this is applicable. Harsh weather, fog, sandstorm, work.
Okay, first thing you put temperature separately and then, okay, you put temperature combined.
High temperature, heat exertion, fatigue. So I'm putting only 3. I'm not making one fatality.
If you say high temperature, then distress.
Okay, let us make it 4.
No, but then you take it out. The temperature is separate and other thing is separate, maybe.
Okay.
So dance fog and high wind will not.
Okay, no problem. I will separate it. Once let me make it, then separate.
Yeah.
Weatherability is labor law, thermal, restriction.
That's all. That will come to B.
Yes.
Why did you put D? Without
My frequency is very high. Yeah. Frequency is very high. No, even frequency is very high. Now I will separate it. So here you want to make only temperature, right?
Temperature separate. Because temperature having bigger impact than storm and other things.
Yeah.
Fog and other things. Fog and other thing only will restrict the work only. There is nothing like if you have fog, your college and other thing. Vehicle college and only is a concern. There is only concern.
So high temperature.
Ice and storm or something. You only weather that your vehicle impact. Yes. So it's nice of physical. Heavy wind of heavy. Other thing is okay, sir. The heavy wind and other thing you can club it. Temperature you give separate.
Okay.
Temperature separate.
So poor visibility.
Yeah, poor visibility.
So top event is loss of control.
Loss of control. Okay.
So the injury, fatigue, injury.
Remove it only. Injury and incident. You can that one incident one. You take an incident one.
Yeah. Incident, right?
Yeah, there is incident is there, right? Vehicle incident and something.
Yeah. It's not
vehicle incident. So you put one vehicle incident before, right?
Yeah. I thought vehicle incident only.
The same thing. Because there is nothing. They are not doing any mechanical work.
Yeah.
They are only vehicle only. Travel mostly their vehicle incident only.
Fatality, huh?
No. You have removed not. It won't fatality because this person will stop. This one. Copy this one. So here it will be less compared to that.
You will make it 3.
3, yeah. I don't say.
3 D. Frequency will be high. Weather is there. Heat stress will remove.
Remove it. But stop work, right? Weather bulletin and stop work.
Yeah, restriction. Restricted work during weather.
Yeah.
Harsh weather. This I will remove.
Yeah.
And this also will remove. PP, existing weather, this one, ambulance, correct?
Okay, that's okay. Here above you have to check something because you put high wind and fog and the thing. So, yeah, here temperature, working in high temperature and humidity, then there is no dense fog and high wind in the threads. Okay, humidity is okay.
Yes, correct.
Okay, humidity is okay, sir. Humidity is okay because humidity, high temperature and humidity is okay. Dense fog and high wind is okay.
Okay, this is correct. So design is not a concern here because it's not an electrical instrument. I remove it.